Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1994 Chevy Camaro Z28 Convertible. Very mean little machine we got here at Skyway Classics, featuring a white exterior with the Camaro wheels on it, black power convertible top, 6-speed manual, which makes it the best thing out of all. It honestly puts all these other cars to shame, such as this one right in front of us. Although now is a good time to do a little brake test since we're downshifting. Shifting in this car does go good too, along with the nice sound that goes out the back. Just to go into the interior, you got the basic stock interior, nice blowing cold AC. Of course, we don't need it now since it's about to rain. You got no codes on the dash. However, it reads 76,000 miles, so this thing will go a long ways. And as soon as this slow Ford can move its butt, we are going to open it up a little bit to show you how much fun a Camaro really can be. Of course, we only got into second gear there, but of course you can hear that this thing is powerful, healthy, and strong, just like every other GM car we have here at Skyway Classics. Just remember to take a look at our YouTube channel, our Instagram page. You'll blindly find the car of your dreams here. But as for now, we're just going to get this one turned around before we get soaked and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see you underneath.